This is the Greenworks 24V string trimmer. If you're looking for a lightweight, capable string trimmer, this is a string trimmer for you. It comes with an adjustable length shaft that's really easy to operate. You can adjust it for short people and tall people. It goes from about 5 foot up to 6.5 foot. You should have no problem at all using this string trimmer. 12-inch diameter cutting head. Uses 0.065 string trimmer line. It is multi-use. You can use this as a string trimmer or rotate the shaft to use it as an edger. Simply release the piece in the middle and then turn the head, lock it back up, and now you can use this as an edger to edge your driveway and items like that. You can also swivel the head around, so you'll need to do that too. You can make it straight on the shaft, or you can turn it up so it's 90 degrees. Because of these wheels, so when you are edging, you can easily run along any paths or pavements and make it really easy to keep your edges of your lawn clean and tidy. Up top, you have an adjustable handle, so you can put different positions depending how tall you are, and then you have a safety switch with the trigger on the back. When you release the trigger, it will release more string line down the bottom. So if you run out of string line, pull the trigger, let it go, let the string trimmer come to a complete stop. Do that a couple of times, you'll have plenty of string line to continue on trimming your yard. So if you're looking for a really good string trimmer that's lightweight, under 5 pounds, and has got plenty of power, I highly recommend you go one of these Greenworks 24V string trimmers.